Chapter 7 Working with Flash CS6 Learning Objectives Introduction Starting Flash Components of Flash Creating simple FLA files Editing objects Animation in Flash Introduction Flash is a multimedia graphics program. It is used to create projects with animation, video, sound, and so on. Flash is particularly useful for creating applications for the web, as Flash files are very small and can be downloaded easily. Many animated movies are made in this software, like Bal Ganesh, Hanuman, Jumbo, etc. Flash is developed by Adobe Systems. It provides an easy way to create animation that consists of images, sound, video, and some other effects. Flash allows you to develop highly interactive websites, computer games, advertisements, and various other online content. Starting Flash. To start the Flash, follow these steps. Click the Start. All programs. Adobe Flash Professional CS6. The following screen appears on the computer screen. To start working on Adobe Flash, we need to create a new Flash file. Follow the given steps to create a new Flash file. 1. Click the File menu and select New. 2. The document window appears. In the General tab, choose ActionScript 3.0 and click OK button. The main window of Flash software appears on the computer screen. Components of Flash. The main window of Flash contains the following components. The stage. The stage is like the canvas that defines the visible area during playback. You arrange graphics, videos, buttons, and other elements on the stage while authoring projects. Timeline. Timeline is placed at the bottom of the window. It consists of various layers, frames, and a playhead. Frames. Animations are created with the help of frames. A small rectangular cell on the top of the timeline is called frame. Each frame has a number. The total time of the animation is divided into frames. It displays the content of a movie at any particular moment of time. Keyframes. Keyframes are special type of frames through which we can change properties of an object. We can easily drag a keyframe in the timeline to change the length of an animation. Layers. Layers are like multiple film strips, each containing a different image that appears on the stage. These layers are stacked on the top of one another. Each layer contains its own timeline with endless frames. When we open a new Flash document, it contains only one layer. The active layer is indicated with a pencil icon, with layer in the timeline. We can add more layers to manage the animation in a document. Playhead. Playhead indicates the current frame on the stage. It moves from left to right in the timeline. The Property Inspector. The Property Inspector displays contextual information about the attributes of any selected object. You can edit these options to adjust an object settings. Tools Panel. Tools Panel consists of various tools used to draw, paint, select and modify objects in the workspace. The Tools Panel is divided into 4 sections. Sections. Description. Tool section. Tool section consists of tools used for drawing, painting, and selecting objects. View section. View section consists of tools for application window and zooming. Color section. Color section includes the modifiers to select and fill colors for the object you draw. Options section. This section includes various modifiers for the currently selected tools. The library panel. The library panel contains media elements and symbols that are stored for a project. Use this panel to manage and organize the project's elements. When you publish a SWF file, only the library items you actually use are included in the published file. You don't have to clean out unused elements that weren't used because they won't increase the published SWF size, or although they do not increase the size of the master FLA file. You have been introduced to the basic of Flash interface. Now, let us proceed further to know more about it. Creating a simple FLA file. Following are steps for creating a new document. 1. Click File menu. New option. The New Document dialog box opens. 2. Select the Flash file or Action Script 3.0 in the General tab and click OK button. 3. Now, click the Modify Menu Document option or press Ctrl plus J key. The Document Setting dialog box opens. 4. In the Document Setting dialog box, set frame rate, background color, stage size, and rule unit. To change the stage size, type the values of width and height in Dimension text box. To change the background color of the document, click the Background Color box and choose the color. To change the frame rate, specify the speed of a movie in frames per second in frame rate. To set the page size to maximum available print area, select Printer under Map section. Select the ruler unit from the drop-down menu. 5. Click OK after making desired changes. Editing objects. When you draw any shape in Flash, you can easily transform, rotate, copy, flip, and move it with the help of various tools and options. Selecting objects. To edit an object, first we have to select it. To select an object, follow the given steps. 1. Select the selection tool or press V key. 2. Drag the mouse pointer around the object. You will notice a rectangular selection box. Select the image portion and release the mouse button. 3. The object will be selected. Rotating an object. To rotate an object, follow the given steps. 1. Select the object. 2. Select Modify menu. Transform, rotate and skew. The object handles appears. 3. Bring the cursor on any corner handle of the object. The pointer change to rotation handle. 4. Drag this handle to rotate the object. 5. Click outside the selected object when you are satisfied with the rotation. Copying an object. To copy object, follow the given steps. 1. Select the object that you want to copy using selection tool. 2. Click Edit menu, Copy option. 3. Click the stage where you want to paste the object. 4. Select Paste option from Edit menu. Your selected object will get pasted. Moving an object. To move an object, follow the given steps. 1. Select the object using selection tool. You will see a 4-headed arrow. 2. Click and drag this to move the object to a new position. After dragging the object to the new location, release